Hello everybody, so I just got this in the mail. This is the Nitecore NTP31. It's an aluminum alloy tactical pen. This is what it looks like. You can see streamlined clip, anti-slide thread, Schneider refill, tungsten steel, tapered tip, bolt action retractor. Okay, let's take it out. That's all that's in the box. This is the pen, and as you can see, Nitecore NTP31. It's pretty light. Wait, let me try again. Okay, never mind. Let's see the bolt action. It's not that satisfying. It's okay, but it feels a little bit cheap. Now this pen comes in a variety of colors and versions. There's the NTP30, which is titanium, which is higher quality, and the bolt is higher quality. This is not too high quality. It uses G2 refills, which aren't, you can't type upside down like the space pens and stuff. And this is the tungsten steel. Let's see if I can get it yet. This is the window breaker self-defense tool. If you can see, tungsten is a very strong material. It's the hardest material behind the diamond, right behind diamond, and it can shatter glass easily, and it writes pretty well. Let's see, does it write? No. And you can see it writes. Okay. Now this is a great tactical pen because it has a pocket clip and it won't fall off on you. There is also an NTP20 and 21. They have like a cap which goes on the pen, so you can strike as soon as you take the pen out, but that may fall off eventually, and that's what happened with my Boker multi-purpose pen. The tip fell off and I lost the pen, the half of the pen. But you can also strike with this part. It's pretty hard. The pen itself is pretty tough, and yeah, the bolt action is pretty cool, but not high quality. But it's kind of satisfying, not too satisfying. You can feel like it's not that smooth. It could be, I could put some WD-40 in here probably, but yeah. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe, it helps me out, and like the video, share it, comment, whatever. Thanks.